In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your CapCut subscription. Let's get started. If you open the CapCut app and go to your profile by tapping Me at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice something important. There is no option inside the app to cancel your subscription. No matter where you tap, you won't find a cancel button. That's because CapCut subscriptions must be canceled through your app store, not inside the app. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. The steps are very similar. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Subscriptions. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Find and select CapCut from the list. Scroll down and tap Cancel Subscription. You may be asked to select a reason for canceling. Choose any option from the list. Then tap Cancel Subscription again to confirm. And that's it. Your CapCut subscription has now been successfully canceled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.